Children, myself Shiba teacher, and this is your English 1 textbook of semester 1. So your first lesson is landscapes. Children, if you are having textbook, you can open your textbook and go through the textbooks. So your first picture is, you have to describe this picture, and this is the painting done by Kanu Patel, and he has done many paintings. So here one of the picture is given. This painting you have to describe. You can see here, children, many lines are given here. You have to write 5 to 6 sentences on this, whatever you are seeing in this picture. In textbook itself you have to write. You have to write in textbook itself. What and all you see here: rainwater, trees, girls walking, some are having umbrellas, and here one of the car is there. In this way, whatever you see, you have to describe this picture. Even you can describe the colors also. So first you should know what are landscapes. Children, landscapes means the nature what you see around. They are called landscapes. It may be mountain, river, lake, anything that is nature. So that is called landscapes. And here we are going to start with the poem type. Here the writer has written in a poem type, that is water dance. So you all see the water. It is of different forms. So according to the forms, it is named. It is named. Okay, if you see water in the lake, so it is named as lake. If you see in pond, then pond. In that way, it is named in different way, but all together it is one. Water is one, but it has been named in different way. So that is only here we are going to see in this lesson. So here there are few meanings also in your textbook. At the back it is given. If you want to understand, here there it is given. So the poem Water Dance reads about different forms of water. Some people say that water is one thing, but others say the water is many. In terms of its various forms, water exists ever since the beginning of the world. Water exists from the beginning of the world, and it keeps on continuous cycle. Sometimes it falls from the sky, and in this case it is called as rain. So here sometimes it falls from the sky, and that we call as the rain. Okay. So next is, sometimes water flows down in large amounts. It keeps on tumbling. Tumbling means rolling down and down over the rocks covered through the forest shadows, and this form of water is the mountain stream. This form of the mountain is called, water is called mountain stream. As you all know, water coming down from the mountains, and at the foot of the mountains, as it comes down at the foot of the mountains, it, what the water does, it leaps from a stone cliff, spiraling, plunging, and what it is called as the waterfall. Children, water is one, but according to from where it comes, so the name is changed. And in the shadows of the mountains, water collects. It is still and deep. It fills and overflows. This form of water is the lake. After falling down, it stays in one place. Still means in one place, and that is the lake. I think so you all have seen lake. Then what happens? The water winds through broad golden valleys, and along its course it is joined by streams and creeks. With that joining, it grows ever wider, broader, and deeper. This form of water, what it is called? A river. So again the water passes through a gateway of high stones palisades. Palisades means what? Palisades means fence. Leaving the land behind, cool silver moonlight. So how it looks? It looks like cool silver moonlight. Sparkles and dances its waves. So that is the sea. So drawn upward, you all know that due to sunlight, the water is drawn upward and then it disappears. Then we can't see, that we can't see. Then it disappears and that it is called as mist. Okay children, so we'll continue in the next session about this.